In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Typeform responses to CSV and clean them in Excel. By the end, you'll know how to get your Typeform data out, open it in Microsoft Excel, and tidy it up so it's ready for analysis or sharing. First, log into your Typeform account using your usual credentials. Once you're in, head to your dashboard and choose the form you want to work on. This is the specific form whose responses you want to export, so make sure you're selecting the right one if you manage multiple forms. With the form open, look for the Results section in the top navigation and click it. Inside Results, go to Responses. This view shows all the individual submissions. To export these, find the down arrow icon in the top right corner of the page. Click it and choose the CSV option. A CSV, or comma-separated values file, is a simple format that works well with spreadsheets and most data tools. Your download will begin, and you'll have a file containing all your responses. Next, open Microsoft Excel. From Excel, open the CSV file you just downloaded from Typeform. If you see a message about delimiters or formatting, proceed with the default settings unless you know your data requires something specific. Once the file is open, click the first row, which contains the headers. This row usually includes the question text or field names. Selecting the header row helps you visually anchor the structure of your data so you can quickly spot anything that doesn't belong. Now scan the sheet for extra or empty columns. These can appear when optional questions weren't answered or when hidden fields were included. If you find any columns that are completely blank or clearly unnecessary, select the column header, right-click, and choose Delete. Repeat this for each extra column to keep your data set lean and accurate. A quick tip, you can hold Shift to select a range of adjacent columns before deleting. Next, scroll to the bottom of the sheet and look for empty rows. These can show up if there were trailing line breaks or if the export included placeholder rows. Select any empty rows, right-click, and choose Delete to remove them. This helps prevent issues in charts, pivot tables, or filters later on. That's it, the cleaned file will be automatically saved, so your changes are preserved and your data is ready for use. You now have a streamlined CSV in Excel, perfect for reporting, filtering, or further analysis.